Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone marrow at home full guide. Start by sourcing beef femur bones, trim away excess meat, soak in salted water for 1 hour, then pat dry and roast at 450 degrees F for 15 to 20 minutes until the marrow is soft and slightly bubbling. Serve with toasted bread, lemon, and parsley, and always cool slightly before handling to avoid burns. Enjoy. Begin by trimming bones and soaking them in salted water to draw out blood and impurities. This improves flavor and appearance. Pat each bone completely dry and season with a light sprinkle of salt and cracked pepper so the marrow flavor shines. Arrange bones upright or cut side up in a hot roasting pan and watch carefully during the final minutes to avoid overcooking the soft marrow. Quick break, if this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple, tasty recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is excellent for reading recipe notes and cookbooks while you cook, making it easy to follow steps hands-free. I left the Kindle link and other deals in the description, so check that out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Roast bones at a high temperature so the marrow softens and just begins to bubble at the edges, which creates the best texture and flavor. Transfer bones carefully to a platter, squeeze a little lemon over the marrow, and scatter chopped parsley for brightness. Offer toasted bread for spreading. Encourage guests to spoon marrow onto toast, season to taste, and remember to cool bones briefly to handle them safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.